Help! Is anyone there? I'm cold. Help me! I have to finish these before Mom and Dad get home. Why didn't anyone help?
I have told you 1,000 times, Leo. We cannot have a liar in this house. This is a house of respect, and you have none.
But Mom, please! I am telling the truth. I was in my room studying. I didn't even go near the living room.
Enough, Leo. Your mother is tired. I am tired. Every day there is a new problem, and every day you are the center of it.
Dad, you know me. I work hard. I help with the chores. Why don't you believe me? Look! It spins! It's so beautiful!
I cannot endure this stress anymore.
Olivia.
Ethan, choose. It is either this boy stays and I leave, or he goes tonight.
Leo. Pack the rest of your things. You cannot stay here tonight.
Tonight? But Dad, it is raining. Where will I go? I have no money, no phone, no one.
That is the consequence of your actions. Maybe the cold rain will teach you how to be honest.
Injustice. That is the word for this. It means things are not fair. You are not being fair.
You're not coming in. Get out!
Please, it's freezing!
I said leave, now!
Help! Is anyone there? I'm cold. Help me! I have to finish these before Mom and Dad get home. Why didn't anyone help?
Faster, Leo. You are as slow as a snail. Do you want to eat lunch or not?
Yes, Mom. I am almost finished. My hands are just very tired. Look, Mom. My dress for the party is perfect. Can I have some pancakes now?
Of course, my princess. Sit down. I made them with extra blueberries just for you.
Thank you, Olivia. Can I have one pancake, too? I am very hungry.
Did you finish the laundry? Did you clean the garden? No?
I'm sorry.
Then you only get plain rice. Here.
Is that all? Eat it. Even our dog, Sparky, eats better than you, Leo. Look at him. I just don't feel like eating tonight. Oh, Leo, I know it's hard. But you should try.
Why is there so much love for her and so much coldness for me? It's not fair. It's just not fair.
You don't have to do this, Agatha.
I have no choice, Alexander. It's time to go.
Just one more chance.
Not this time. Leave.
I want that big room. If Leo leaves, I can have his room for my toys. I need a plan. Keep watch. Coast is clear. Excellent. Operation Carousel is a success. Oops. Look what happened.
My vase. What happened?
Wow! It's all broken! You did this to me! Look at my poor heart! Wow!
Oh, no! The vase.
Oh, no! My blue vase! It was a gift from my grandmother! Mia, are you okay? Sniffle. Leo! He was running! I told him to stop, but he pushed me! No, I didn't! He said he hated this vase because you love it more than him!
Leo! Get down here right now!
Leo, what happened? Are you okay? Who broke it? What happened? I heard a noise.
Don't act innocent. You broke the vase, and you pushed your sister.
What? No! I was upstairs. I didn't do anything.
I am done with your lies, Leo. I am done with you.
Wait, It's so cold. I know. Just a little further. I feel so alone. I have no home. I have no family. The people who should love me the most are the ones who hurt me the most.
Time for a break, old friend.
I must be strong. If the world is unfair, I must find a way to make it fair. What's that? Something's wrong. Leave me alone! Get off! What was that? I need to be careful.
Come on, give it to us!
No, please!
We know you have the money for the school trip.
Give it now! I don't! Please, it took me 3 months to save this. My mom worked extra hours for this money.
We don't care about your mom. Give it here, or you will be sorry.
Leave me alone! Don't take it!
Give it here, kid.
No, please!
Ha! Too late.
I am small. I am tired. But I cannot watch this. This is another injustice. Leave him alone! Ah! You shouldn't have done that.
Look at the little shrimp. He's soaked.
You're kidding me, right?
Look at this. A little beggar wants to play hero. Go away, kid, before you get hurt.
I am not a beggar. I am someone who knows what it feels like to be treated unfairly. Give him back his money.
Or what? You're gonna tell on us?
Just try to stop me. No, I'm gonna stand here, and I'm gonna keep shouting until everyone in those houses wakes up and sees what you are doing. I'm ready. Let's do this. Help! Ha! Injustice! Help!
Shut up! Fine, let's go before the police come! This kid is crazy!
You found it. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
It's okay, kid. It's safe now.
Thank you so much. Why did you help me?
Because no one helped me tonight. I don't want anyone else to feel that way.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our session. Let's take a closer look at this concept.
Hello. Welcome. It's wonderful to see you here.
That was very brave, young man. I watched everything from my window.
Oh, you were wonderful.
You are freezing, child. Why are you out here in this storm?
I didn't know where else to go. I don't have a place to go.
I am the headmaster of the St. Jude Academy. I see many students every day, but I have never seen a heart like yours. Come inside. Let's get you warm.
What is your name, dear?
My name is Leo.
Leo, the world can be a very dark place for people who are kind, but it is also a place of opportunity. I want to offer you a scholarship to my school.
A full scholarship. You're going to Kington Academy. A scholarship? But I have nothing. I cannot pay for books or uniforms.
Your courage is your payment. I need a student who understands that fairness is not just a word, but a way of life. Will you join us? I believe in you, Leo. I know you can do this.
Yes. I will work harder than anyone else. I promise.
Did you hear about the robotics competition?
Yeah, we should definitely sign up this year.
Absolutely. We have a real shot with the new funding.
Morning, everyone. Hey, Leo, looking sharp today.
Hi, Leo, over here.
Good morning, Sarah. Got those books ready? Morning, Leo.
No problem, Sam. Keep up the good work. You have changed this school, Leo. Since you became head boy, the bullying has stopped. The students are happier.
It feels good to see everyone smiling, Professor.
It's because we listen to them, sir. Everyone deserves to be heard.
Truly spoken, young Leo.
Arthur claps Leo gently on the shoulder. I have a surprise for you today. We have a meeting with some new parents who want to join the school.
I have the proposal.
And you think it's sufficient? I don't know if this is right. This school is very expensive. I hope the quality is better than the last one. Mia deserves the best.
The headmaster said the head boy would meet us. I wonder who he is. I can't wait to meet him. Right then, let's get things in order around here.
Huh? Leo?
You are alive? You are here?
Is this a joke? How did you get into a school like this?
Hello, Ethan. Hello, Olivia. My name is Leo, and I am the head boy of St. Jude Academy. Please, sit down.
I think it's time we discuss this logically.
We understand.
He's right. Leo, we looked for you. Did you? Or did you just enjoy the silence in the house? It doesn't matter now. I am here to talk about Mia's application. Leo, please. I need to get into this school. Everyone else has rejected me. Mia, it's gonna be all right. I'll talk to them. I have read your file, Mia. You were kicked out of 3 schools for lying and bullying. Is that true? Yes. I just...
We have a very strict policy here. We do not accept students who hurt others. Leo told me your story years ago, but I wanted to see the evidence for myself.
I don't want revenge, but I do want justice. You must take responsibility for your actions, Mia.
Leo, we are your family. You have to help us.
A family is built on trust and love. You threw those away for a lie. You chose a vase over your son.
We were wrong. We made a mistake.
Yes, you did. But a mistake is something you learn from. Mia, if you want to enter this school, you must start from the beginning.
That is a very fair decision, Leo.
I know, Arthur. I understand, Your Honor.
We accept the consequences.
I will do better. Let's go, Mia.
Are you okay, Leo? I don't know. It's gonna be all right, I promise. Really?
I am better than okay. I am finally free. I used to think the world was just of injustice.
If you are going through a hard time, remember, your current situation is not your final destination. Keep being kind. Keep being fair.
No child should be invisible. No one should be alone. This is the power of fairness.
If this story touched your heart, please smash the like button and subscribe for more stories of hope and justice. What would you do in Leo's shoes? Tell us in the comments.
Leo, thank you so much. Seriously, you saved the day.
Hey, no problem at all.
Glad I could help.
Look at them all. He's a natural. Just like I knew he would be.
Here, sweetie. It'll warm you up. Thank you, Victoria. That's just what I need. You see, if you just apply this formula here, it all makes perfect sense. Oh, I get it now. Thank you, Leo.
All right, team, let's get those banners up.
Got it.
And our first speaker?
Ready to go.
Welcome, everyone, to our inclusivity event.
Thanks, Leo. I feel so much better now. Anytime, buddy. Want to head to class together? Absolutely.
Yes, I understand. I wish it had gone better.
Understanding each other, that's where our strength lies. We can make a difference, together. I believe in us. I believe that together, we can make a difference.
I never thought I could do this, but here I am.
He's doing it!
We're so proud of you, Leo.
You've almost got it, just like this. Let's just listen to each other. You did a great job, don't worry. Keep up the good work, everyone.
Welcome! It's truly beautiful here.
We've missed you, Leo.
And I, you. Let's make this year great.
I think I found it. These strategies could really make a difference. I'm thrilled to report our disciplinary issues are down, and our successful interventions are up. Thank you for your leadership.